Hi, it's Tuesday, April 11th. Woof, and I flew out of here on Wednesday, and I was so busy and obviously kind of stressed about packing and getting ready to go that I didn't even get a video made on the Tuesday before I left. My apologies. I just sort of disappeared into the hinterland. So I'm back. I came home yesterday. New York City. Big family wedding. It was absolutely beautiful. New York could not have been more gorgeous. It was, spring has sprung. The daffodils, the tulip trees, the cherry trees, everything was at its peak. Oh my gosh, all the plantings, all the gorgeous hotels and everything that was outside, all the pots. It was just spectacular. So that made it very pleasant. The weather cooperated. We had a great time. Did the Statue of Liberty, stuff I've never done, or if I did when I was little, I didn't really remember. We saw The Lion King. Oh my gosh. We went to the Harry Potter experience. We did American Girl dolls. We did FAO Schwartz. We did the Natural History Museum. We walked and we walked and we walked. It was fun. We had a great time. That was all of our spare time. And then the wedding was over the weekend, which was great. It was Easter weekend, and needless to say, I did my prayerful, peaceful Sunday by myself. Did not make it to church, and that was sort of a missing piece for me, but it was a big weekend anyway. So we're back, and I have a couple things to tell you about. This coming Saturday, the 15th, I'm so sorry, the 15th of April is the 75th garden tour of homes for the Southern Pines Garden Club in Southern Pines and Pinehurst. It is beautiful. It is such a lovely way to spend the day. The tickets are $30 a piece. I am selling them at the store, so please stop by and get one or call me and I will quick mail them to you. Or whatever. Anyway, we'll figure it out. This is our 75th. The Garden Club's 75th. It started in 1948. That's just unbelievable. So anyway, if you are nearby and need an activity on Saturday, please. It will be so beautiful and so lovely. There are several homes, many homes, plus the Weymouth Center, and there's a wonderful garden. Anyway, it'll be fabulous. So come. All right, that's for that. Now, new yarn, and it's linen, 100% linen. It's from Juniper Moon. We love Juniper Moon from Knitting Fever. It's $35 a skein, but it's 328 yards of beautiful, and it's a, can you tell, it's sort of a woven conical, it's in that little web design, it's in that little web design. So it's very interesting, kind of like a tape, but it's more of a webbing situation. I have 7 colors, and I have pattern support, so it's fantastic. I have this beautiful ivory. Then I have this gorgeous driftwood. It has tonals, is what it is. So wouldn't this be a gorgeous shawl or top or lightweight sweater? Oof, gorgeous. Then here is the deep sea blues. This is stormy clouds, stormy something, all that beautiful grays. This is Moulin Rouge, I believe. Nice. Nothing's too bright. It's really all very subtle but lovely. This is, I forget what it was called. I called it purple. I don't know what it was called, some flower name. It's gorgeous. And last but not least, we have Herb, which is a beautiful green, tonally in different colors. Again, $35 a skein. All good. This is the Daria shawl, which looks fantastic. 2 colors, 2 skeins, one of 2 colors. And it's all nicely charted. This is what it looks like. The Daria shawl. So that would be beautiful in any 2 of those colors. $6 for the patterns. This is the Louisa t-shirt. This is all knit, and then this is a drop stitch sleeve. I did not get the yellow, but there are plenty of colors. Can you see the drop stitch sleeve? So that's very cool. The yarn on this one, small is 2 hanks, medium 3, large and extra large 4. So that's that. This is the Grand Pennant, which is another shawl. I like it in 2 colors, 2 tones. Do we see? Those are all the charts. So it's a 2-tone shawl like that with really nice lace edging. That looks awesome. I think that takes 4 skeins. And this is a very cool lacy poncho. Look at that. Just throw it over your shoulders on a cool evening. This is called the Suzanne. It's beautiful. It takes 3 to 4. Gorgeous. And then a lot of people are thinking about, we did the top notes last year and maybe the year before out of cotton, but I think it would be absolutely gorgeous out of this linen. So this top note is a beautiful capelet. So pretty, so pretty. So great to throw on. So I think this would be gorgeous in that as well. So those are my suggestions for today. What else do I need to tell you? I don't know. I think that might be it for now. That's probably enough rambling. I'm glad to be back. However, I am scooting away on Sunday. Next week is my consultant's intensive get together with a bunch of other retailers all around the country. So that's always fun and entertaining. So I'm leaving Sunday and I won't be back till Thursday. That's out in Denver. Tell you, this traveling, it's crazy. I don't usually do this much traveling. But anyway, at least not far, far away with planes. Anyway, keeps me going. All right. I got a new cast on my finger. The other one was giving me some problems. But anyway, hopefully this little new, she called it a canoe, this little canoe, it's open on the top. It's a little bit better. So anyway, I'm in my 3rd week tomorrow. 3 weeks. 3 weeks to go. All right. I will see you tomorrow.